Currently, I've made $24.26 from Telegram monetization with Telegram ads. So I'm going to take you through step-by-step process on how to make money with Telegram. This process will show you how to earn money from Telegram channel. First off, let's take a look at what this Telegram monetization is about. Telegram launched a monetization process where creators can monetize with advertisement, but the advertisement is automatically placed on various channels by Telegram, and the revenue is shared 50-50 between Telegram and the channel owner. So here is how it works. All you need to do is to have a public Telegram channel and have 1,000 followers. This makes you eligible to also get ad on your channel and get paid by Telegram. I'm going to show you how to create your own Telegram channel, how to get 1,000 subscribers, as well as how to monetize with Telegram ads. But first, just like any other platform, you have to choose a particular niche that you are also going to post about. I mean, the content that you are also going to post. So make sure you select a cool content for yourself which you are also interested in and can be posting frequently about it, so that you don't lose interest in building your own Telegram channel. Now let's move on to how to create your own Telegram channel using just your phone. First, you need to click on this little pen icon down here and click on not now or continue, and here you have to click on new channel. After you click on this, click on create channel, and here you have to input the channel name and also the description. Now there are little differences between creating a channel on your Android and iPhone, and I'm also going to show you how to create it on your iPhone after doing the Android version. Now here I'll just input the name right here, that is trial. Description, I'll just put in trial, and you have to choose your profile picture right here. Click on this and you can see public and also private channel. So make sure your channel is public and give it a name right here. So make sure you give it a name. I'll just give it this name, and after this, click on this to also create your own channel. Now they'll ask you to also add one person to the channel before it can be created. I'll click on this, just click on this, and after you have added the person, you can see that your channel has been created successfully. Now here is how to create it on your iPhone. Click on this icon at the top, click on new channel, click on create channel, enter the name right here. So I'll do it trial 2. The description will be trial 2. Add your profile picture right here, click on next, and they will ask you whether it's public or private. So I'll put it on public. Enter the link address right here. So I'll just enter the address, click on next, and here you have to choose one person to add to the group. So I'll simply choose one person, and here you have your group. Now you can see here your subscribers will be 2, and all you have to do is to remove the one person that you added, and you can start building up your channel to get monetized. As I said, the requirement to be monetized is 1,000 followers as well as a public channel. Now that you have created the public channel, how do you even get your 1,000 followers very fast? I suggest you also use other platforms to also get people to join your Telegram channel, because you won't get followers by people searching for you or anything like that. The best platform that you can use to get followers very fast to your Telegram channel is TikTok, because on TikTok it's very easy to also get more engagement, and here is how you can also do it. To start posting your content that you'll be posting on Telegram on TikTok, make sure you also start posting to build up your engagement, and after you have built up some engagement, you can tease a particular content on TikTok and tell your viewers the full content will be available on your Telegram channel, which you can also put a link in your bio or simply put the link in your description or the comment section of your TikTok, so that your followers can find your channel and also subscribe to your channel. This is how you can get followers very fast on your Telegram channel. After you have been monetized by Telegram and Telegram starts showing ads on your channel, how do you increase the amount that you'll be earning on your channel? Telegram monetization is based on impression. What do I mean by impression? It's simply people reacting to your content that you also post. So make sure all the time you post content that people will be able to react to it. Contents like posts tend to also be good, because in posts, you have to vote for the poll that you also like, and also make sure you turn on your reaction feature so that people can react to the content that you also post. Here is how to do it in your Telegram channel. Click on your Telegram name right here, click on channel settings, and you will see reactions. Make sure you turn on all reactions right here, or you can simply choose the ones that you also like so that people can use it when reacting to your content. And make sure you tell your subscribers to also react to your content. This way you can get them to also react. The second tip is to avoid posting more links. Telegram doesn't like you posting more links in your channel because people will leave the channel and go to the link that you also posted. The next tip is to avoid buying fake followers, because if you buy fake followers, Telegram will never monetize your channel. So make sure you don't buy fake followers or fake engagement in your channel. Grow it organically by using other social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook to also grow your followers organically on Telegram. Now that you have known how to make money on Telegram by just creating a public Telegram channel, how do you get paid on Telegram? Telegram pay you in a Telegram native token called Ton, which you can also exchange the Ton into your currency that you use in your country. Now let me show you this on my phone. So here in my main channel, I'll simply click on my name right here, and when I click on my name, you can see my balance that I have in my account is 6.801305 ton, which is equivalent to 24.17 or 24.23 dollars that I can withdraw to my wallet. The minimum that you can withdraw is 10 ton. So unless you have 10 ton before you can withdraw it from your wallet to any other wallet that you have and also sell it into your currency in your country locally. There are other ways to make money on Telegram, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll bring them all to you so that I can use to also maximize your money that you make on Telegram. If you want to make money on TikTok, click on the video on the screen right now.